The Mercedes-Benz Actros is a heavy-duty vehicle that is mostly used for commercial transportation. Mercedes-Benz does not directly produce a Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome variant. Instead, if you read this word, it probably means that a professional bodybuilder has transformed a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck into a luxurious heavy-duty RV. Because it is a bespoke vehicle, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome's appearance might differ significantly based on the owner's choices and the body company's design. We can, however, provide you a broad overview of the external features that are present on a luxury conversion of this kind. The basis will be the spacious, aerodynamic cabin of the Actros. Larger side windows, an opulent entry with an electric staircase, and a repaint with unique colors and patterns are a few possible modifications. A custom-made housing module will be attached to the back of the cabin. The module will probably include a lockable entry, double-glazed windows, and strong, insulated walls. The module's design will aim to blend in with the truck's interior. For vistas and natural light, the housing module will include a lot of wide windows. The window style will probably be elegant and contemporary. The RV will probably have many electrically extensible slide-outs to optimize living space while parked. To provide covered spaces outside, large, electrically extensible awnings will be standard. The Actros truck's spacious cabin will provide plenty of internal room. There will probably be many distinct functional spaces in the plan, including a living room, a fully working kitchen, an opulent master bedroom, and a sophisticated bathroom. A garage for a small car or other equipment may even be included in some versions. Standard features will include premium materials that frequently surpass the standards of a typical camper and come close to the opulence of a boat or upscale condominium. This might consist of upholstery for couches, chairs, and other surfaces made of premium leather or ultra-leather, custom-designed hardwood cabinets with opulent finishes, countertops made of sophisticated solid surface materials or real stone, granite, marble, plush carpets, porcelain tiles, or hardwood flooring. Walls and ceilings with ornamental panels or upholstery that insulates against heat and sound. Large, plush, well-upholstered couches and chairs, frequently having motorized recliner functions. Cutting-edge entertainment systems with integrated multimedia connectivity, top-notch surround sound systems, and huge flat-screen TVs in several locations. A spacious closet with internal lighting, a nice king or queen-size bed with an orthopedic mattress, and perhaps a dressing space or modest sitting area are all features of the roomy master bedroom. Indirect lighting and accent lighting are two features of an LED lighting system that may be adjusted in color and intensity to create various moods. Using a touchscreen, control panel, or smart app, a central control system may be integrated to regulate the motorhome's lighting, temperature, dual or multiple zone HVAC, audio-video, security, water and waste tank levels, and other features. Lots of storage throughout the interior. Areas like cabinets, drawers, and storage compartments are ingeniously built to optimize both space and cleanliness.